So I just replaced the fan on a heatsink and fan that was messed up. This one been running for a few years now, so it died. It was working, but it was just really loud. So got a new fan, stuck it in there, and you save a lot of money doing it that way. Because if you was to buy always one this good's like £30, so save yourself some money and just get a cheap fan or a cheap heatsink and fan, take the fan off and stick it in yours. That's what I've done. I didn't want to replace it because it's a quad, so it needs a better heatsink than the one that you get with stock. So yeah, money saving tip there, money making tip as well. And the old one is obviously useless. You can put that straight in the bin or something, or keep it as an extreme backup, like a proper emergency situation, or you could make some sort of something else with it. But you know, you might even be able to put it on the case. But you know, I wouldn't rely on it, and it's definitely not reliable for a CPU fan. But the problem with it in a PC is it's too loud, so best not to use it at all on a PC. But yeah, I'll probably end up just chucking this piece of shit. But you never know, might be able to make some sort of energy device with something like that. Don't know. What do you think? Put in the comments.